Hi.
What kind of camera are you using?
It's just the Sony.
What kind of lens? You don't have a big,
Oh, no, this is just a video camera.
very cool. Are there any blue herons up there? Oh, very cool.
Yeah. So most of my stuff is that, but I put a few nature things on there too.
So what, will this be a how-to video?
This won't be a how-to. This is
Will this have
this is just going to be for entertainment on my
shoot the shit with
on
the local
on my
bird
channel. Yeah, for most, probably the only people who are
lady. How
going
to talk to girls.
Yeah. How to talk to girls. You came up to me.
Yeah, you got to be doing something interesting instead of golfing.
Yeah.
So,
I
I wouldn't want to golf.
I don't golf
Lonely
much.
guy.
I don't golf much. Hey, what is this?
There it goes.
Is this going to be a video on how to pick up a date or something now?
Well,
I
you
thought
never
this was going to
know.
be just a regular nature video.
And I don't get why they have these people on there, but they're making money doing it.
I don't know.
And they're like,
Did you hear that bird just there, by the way? Do you know what that was? I'll tell you what it is.
That was a pheasant.
That's right.
I know my
High five.
birds. Yeah.
Okay. All right, it's Video Joe.
Hey,
That's all I have for this
check
time.
it out.
But I'll be back
Check it out.
with
no doubt.
more
Check it out.
videos. And I don't know her either, by the way.
Never met the guy. Just us.